Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a professional-looking timeline using the free version of Canva. Yes, you can create a timeline for anything, whether you want to navigate a process, list out information, or make a timeline for any purpose. And the best part is, it's really easy to do in Canva and only takes a few minutes. So first, create your account in Canva. Canva is a great site for beginners, so you don't have to worry about experience. Simply create your account and search for Timeline, and you'll find lots of options like this. Just explore the options and see which one fits your needs and meets your expectations, or which one you prefer. Does it align with your brand? Just select and customize that one. Canva is great because you can modify ready-made templates designed by professionals, so you can see how professional they look. Maybe this one, or just explore, and I'll see which one looks good for me. So yeah, this one looks good, and it's free, so I'll customize this one. You can explore more, and whichever one you like, just customize that one. It should be free. Now I have access to modify whatever I want. Maybe I want to change the text. Just double-click on it, and like this, I can modify it. If I want to change the color, just do it like this. Change the color or font. If you want to change the text color, just go to Text Color, and here's the option. And similarly, if you want to make it bold, italic, underline, or maybe strike through, or make it uppercase. And if I want to change the color of icons, just go to the colors, and you can change it like this. And the same way, if I want to change the color of the circle, you can change the color and also the stroke. To change the color of the stroke, just do it like this, and you can modify whatever you want. If you want to resize it, go to Resize, and you can resize it as well. Making a timeline in Canva is really easy, and creating a good timeline will make your workflow more effective and serve as a reminder for whatever you're making the timeline about. And yeah, that was a simple tutorial on how to make a timeline in Canva free version. You can create a professional-looking timeline in Canva's free version as well, so enjoy designing and enjoy creating anything in Canva.